In this video, we're going to take a look at a free investing and trading application that goes by the name of SimpleFX. Now, this is a platform that has won many awards in different areas, and in this video, we're going to discuss what types of awards this platform has won and for what reasons. But obviously, there are reasons why this platform has won multiple awards, and that is what we're going to discuss in this video. And we'll be discussing how this platform, this application can make your life a lot easier if you are interested into trading and investing. And when we talk about investing, a lot of people get confused on what type of investment. Like, are we talking about cryptocurrencies? Are we talking about equities or lands and so forth? In this one, it's all of those. Anything that you can imagine that people invest in, that people trade in, you can have that in this platform. In this free trading platform, we can trade commodities, equities, forex, cryptocurrencies, and many more. So I think this is open to a lot of different audiences. But yeah, in this video, we're going to discuss details on this project, on this platform, on this application, and we're going to take a look around on how this whole thing works. And we're also going to take a look at other areas like their affiliate program. So make sure that you watch till the end. Do note that anything I say is not going to be an investment or a financial advice. So always do your own investigation and research. And with this out of the way, we're going to get straight into the application. So right here, this is the official website of SimpleFX, and this right here is the web trader. This is the application where we can basically do anything. First of all, let's learn how we can create an account, and then we're going to go in details. So when you have the web trader open, or if you're on the website, you can simply click on the create account button right here. I'm going to click on create account right here. Here, you will be putting in your email, your password. You'll be confirming the password. Click on I agree terms condition. You'll be clicking on create account, and it will send an email to the email that you provided. You're going to go over to that email, and then there will be a verification code. You'll be clicking on this to verify your account, and once it is verified, you can log in. So since I have already created an account, I'm just going to simply log in. So for starters, you can see that we have a chart which basically shows us the trend of the respective pair that we have selected. As for now, we have selected Bitcoin USD pair, and on the left hand side you can see we have different symbols. We have cryptocurrencies, we have this right here are cryptocurrencies, then we have forex, we have commodities, we have equities, and so forth. And you have a favorite list, which is for some reason is not something that I chose, but I can, change this list. I can add my favorite list. I can create my own favorite list of cryptocurrencies, which is where I'm currently in. I'm not into commodities or equities, so I'm gonna fill this list with my favorite cryptocurrencies. And let's say if you want to search up for something, I'm going to type in Bitcoin, because this is what we're interested in just for now. So if I click on this, I get different options. Like if I want to open the chart, which you can see is already open, so it's not going to open up anything new. I can create a new order, which we're going to take a look at, and we have simple information, and we can remove this from the favorite list. But I'm going to show you guys how you can order, how you can open up a position, how you can close a position, and so forth. Because one of the amazing things that we have in this one is leverage trading. So you don't have to have a really big capital to open up positions, open up orders. You can do leverage trading, which can really increase your profit. So on the left hand side, this is what we have. In the middle, we have the chart, and just above the chart, we have all the tools that we need or we can use to assess the chart and make predictions and study the trend that we are having in this one. And on the right hand side, we have recent news. All of this is related to trading and investing in different areas. We also have live news TV, which you can open right here. So this basically shares all the live news that is happening. So I'm not going to play this right now, but you can get all the latest updates right here, which is really essential when you're trading. You need to have your eye on whatever currently is happening, and that's how you're able to take quick actions. And then you have trading ideas. So there are actually rewards for sharing trading ideas. So this is what you can get in this section. And on the bottom side, this is where you can add different information like your balance, profit and swap, equity, margin level, margin, free margin, which you can open and close right here, whichever works for you. So you can see it's not really crammed with a lot of complicated things like we have in other exchanges. It's really like the name of the project says, it is simple. And we also have a live account and also demo accounts. So if you want to test things out, you can use a demo account. Right now I have this demo account open, but I also have this one as well. And then we also have the live account. So you can easily switch between live account and also on the demo accounts, which is an amazing feature that we have in this one, which I don't think we have in other platforms. Now let's take a look at how you can start an order, how you can start a position. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to select a cryptocurrency, forex, commodities, or equity, whichever that you want. As for my audience, I know we're interested in crypto, so I'm going to go with crypto. You can search it up right here. I'm going to go for Bitcoin. And right here, as you can see, I already have the chart open. So even if I open a chart, it's just gonna show me the same thing. This is the Bitcoin USD chart. And even if I can go either right here on buy or sell, and it's going to open up this one, or you can simply click on right here on these three dots and you can open up a new order right here. So I just opened two of those. I'm going to close this one. So now this is what it shows. I can buy Bitcoin. I can either sell Bitcoin. And here I can choose the amount of Bitcoin that I want to buy or I want to sell. So you can increase the units or you can decrease the units. And it shows us the required margin. It shows us the free margin. Now, once we have selected the units that we want to buy, then we want to start an order. We can have two functions that we can add. It's up to you. You can just either, if you simply click on submit, it's not going to add any function. But if you are going to go away, let's say you want to go to vacation, let's say you want to go to market, and you can't have your eye on the chart all the time, what you will be doing is you can add either of these functions or both of these functions. So what this does is in the stop loss, you'll be adding a certain amount of a value that if the price of the Bitcoin drops below the certain level, it is going to sell your Bitcoin. So I'm going to put in, let's say put in 16,000. So if the price of the Bitcoin drops below 16,000, it is going to sell my Bitcoin to prevent me from any further loss. And in take profit, I'm going to put in an amount. Let's say I'm going to put 17,000. If the price of the Bitcoin go to 17,000, it is going to sell my Bitcoin and I'm going to take the profit. So this is what these two functions are for, which makes sure that even if you don't have your eyes on the chart, if you're not actively trading, it's still going to prevent you from a loss, and it will, it can help you make a profit or take your profit. So I think these are really essential tools. And then you can simply submit and it is going to open up a position for you, which you can see is right here. I have both functions applied, take profit and of stop loss as well. But yeah, so you can simply open up right here. These are the ones that are pending, which you also have the option if you open up. I'm going to open this one more time. So in this section, you also have the pending. So if you place order from this, it is going to go into this section. And then we have close. If you close the position, it is going to go right here. So if I basically close this right here, it is going to go into this close section. So basically, this is how it works. You can see it is pretty straightforward. Even if you're not an expert, you can still trade. You can simply trade and you can make a profit in this one. You have all the news. You have all the essential information that is required for you to trade. You have all the essential functionalities, which are not really overwhelming. They're simple functions that even a basic, trader can learn. And yeah, so I think this is what makes this really amazing because it's simple. And another thing that I really like about this is that you have this on your mobile application as well. So you can see this I have open on my mobile application. You can see that the order that I opened or the position that I opened is right here in front of me. In here, you can see all the charts, symbols, and you can open up a particular chart as well. Let's say I want to open up Bitcoin USD. Of course, it's not going to be as detailed as it is in the web version, but still, this is something that is offered rarely by anyone else. So again, this is something that I really like about this. The user experience in this one is really simple. It is really user friendly. The web application and the mobile application are really simple. And you have it on Android, you have it on iOS, you can open it up on iPad, basically on anywhere. So it's not essential that you're on a desktop or you're on a laptop. Even if you're out somewhere, you just need an internet connection. You can open up your application and you can trade from there. So you can take decisions from there as well. Anything you want, you can do that there as well. And that's what makes it really amazing. Now that we have learned how this whole thing works, we're going to take a look at the website to learn more about this. One amazing thing that we have in this one is that when you register, you have about, I think, 24 hours that if you make a deposit within those 24 hours, you get a bonus. So I'm going to open this up right here. So there's different bonuses for different amount of money that you, or value that you deposit. If you go to the first deposit bonus, you can see this is right here. So if you deposit $100 or more than $100, you get $20. If you deposit $250 or more, you get $50. If you deposit $500 or more, you get $100, and it goes on to about this. So if you deposit $10,000 or more, you get $2,500, $2,500, which is really amazing. So and under this we have $0 for withdrawals, and we like it's basically free forever, which is what I said, that it is a free trading and investing application, and it's really simple. And in each month they give away $100, so there's like a lot of giveaways, a lot of contests that they do. They're pretty active in this one. And then there's also stake and trade, and it says trade and stake with no fees and no minimum deposits. So we can take a look at stake and trade as well, which if you go to the web trader and if you open up this menu, we have stake and trade of Ethereum right here. So that's another option that we have to make a good income, a good passive income. And here are all the awards that they won in different areas. So it won the best trading platform cryptocurrency in the World Expo that was in Warsaw in Poland in 2022, and then Rankia Awards for best mobile application in 2020, and then best trading platform in Finance World Expo in 2019, and best cryptocurrency trading platform in Cryptocurrency World Expo Berlin 2018. So it has won multiple awards, which is really amazing, and you can see why it would win different awards. And we already have discussed that you have an option to share your ideas with others, and you can earn a revenue share, which is another amazing thing. And the last thing that we're gonna take a look at in this one is going to be about the referral program or affiliate program. So in this, you have the option to invite your friends, refer your friends. If you click on this and make sure that you are logged in, you have the option to either put in your nickname, and this is a referral link that you're given. You'll be giving this link to anyone basically that you want to invite, and if they sign up and deposit using this link, they will be saving 5% and you will be receiving 10%. So they benefit from registering through your link, and you benefit, you basically take commission from there, 10%, which is 10%, which is a really solid percentage. So in this one, you can really make up a whole tree, because the people that you referred, they can further refer others, and it creates a whole tree, it creates a whole chain, and you can really make a good passive income from there as well. And we already have taken a look at the reward center, which has my promo code or your promo code, which is going to be the referral link, the same as the affiliate program. So you can use this to make, get 10% from the people that you refer. Then we also have the first deposit bonus, which you already have discussed, and then there's others, which they do $100 giveaway on in almost every month. So this is another center that you can take a look at. There's a lot of other details that you can take a look at, which you can get from the help center. So they have all the tutorials on almost every single thing right here. They have video tutorials and they have blog tutorials, and it's also step by step. So make sure that if you're confused about something, if you want to learn the whole thing, you can do that from here. An amazing thing is, even if you don't know anything, if you're like, it's the first time you're registering on a trading application, you can use these video tutorials, you can read through the blog tutorials, and within one day you can be an expert in trading, which is something that I think is really amazing. And in the accounts and deposit section, this is where you can deposit. Of course, you need to deposit in order to start trading. Right now I'm on a demo account, so I'm going to switch to the live account. And here in the Bitcoin, if I click on deposit, you can see the leverage is really amazing. So in this section, you see I have Bitcoin right here. If I click on deposit, this is what's going to show me. And here you'll be getting the address where you'll be depositing Bitcoin, and you'll be receiving those right here. And you have many other methods for different cryptocurrencies to transfer. You have Cardano, BUSD, BUSD Coin, Bitcoin Cash, Band Protocol, and there's a whole list. So you're not short of options to deposit. You can choose whichever one works for you. So yeah, I think this is all of you guys in this video. I'm going to give you guys a link where you can register. That'll be in the description. You can, or either you can open up the website itself. You can create an account from there. It'll be completely up to you. So I'll be giving you guys all the links, important links in the description for you guys to get started. If you're getting confused about something, you have all the tutorials. And if you're still getting confused about something, you can ask me in the comment section. But yeah, this is all of you guys in this video, and I'm going to see you guys in the next one shortly. So stay tuned. Disclaimer: trading digital assets involve significant risk and can result in the loss of your invested capital. You should ensure that you fully understand the risk involved and take into consideration your level of experience, investment objectives, and seek independent financial advice if necessary. It is up to you whether to invest or not.